My name is Schneider. I'm working for Hoffmann-La Roche in Basel, and I'm leading a group in our manufacturing science and technology department responsible for new technologies in drug product. Roche is a 120-year-old pharma company located in Switzerland, very strong in biotechnology, mainly focusing on oncology and other products. Actually, it's my third time joining Pharma, so I think that's a good sign. This year I was presenting about our effort to enhance manual manufacturing tasks by robotic systems. So we have a lot of manual tasks in our shop floors, and we try to enhance and support our operators with robotics. And my speech was about outlining the opportunities, and obviously there are many opportunities, but also challenges we are facing. In my specific field of drug product manufacturing, especially in the space of sterile drug product manufacturing, I think we still have a lot of opportunities to automate, not only in order to enhance manual manufacturing tasks, but also to keep the human being away from the sterile product, because the operators are the biggest threat from a microbial contamination perspective. What I'm observing is that on one hand, authorities are embracing new technologies. One buzzword is artificial intelligence. However, when implementing those, sometimes we see a clash with given regulations, like for instance, process validation. And it is then difficult to basically embrace the new technology and still make sure that you are in compliance with current regulations. So there's the need that both parties, the health authorities, but also pharma industry are adopting. I think the concept in PharmaP is a very efficient way of networking, because it's this active networking. It's not something it's opportunistic. So if a colleague wants to get in touch with me, or if I want to get in contact with someone, a participant of PharmaP, I can use the personal assistant, and then they can connect us. And I think this makes best use of the time we have together.